Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing you the developments shaping markets, capital access, and business decision-making across Jamaica and the region. Let's get into the stories that matter. PetroJam, Jamaica's sole oil refinery, has announced a change in its pricing mechanism aimed at improving its ability to manage shocks and disruptions. Under the revised system, price movements on diesel products will now be capped. Increases or decreases for automotive diesel oil and ultra-low sulfur diesel will be limited to $12.50 per liter. PetroJam says the new structure is designed to better align local fuel prices with international benchmarks while still shielding customers from sharp market shocks. According to PetroJam, the revised pricing model ensures a more balanced response to both increases and decreases in global oil prices. The company adds that dealers will continue to apply their markups to determine final retail prices. New fuel prices take effect today. CIBC Caribbean has announced that its Visa Debit, Visa Credit, and MasterCard credit cards can now be added to Google Wallets, enabling its clients to make secure, fast, and convenient digital payments using their compatible Android device. Google Wallet enables cardholders to take advantage of simple and secure contactless payments and digital card storage on both Android and Wear OS devices. Starting June 9, 2026, Google Pay will be available initially to CIBC Caribbean clients in Barbados, Jamaica, the Cayman Islands, the Bahamas, and Trinidad, with other territories to be added over time. The Bank of Jamaica will offer investors a fixed deposit option. The $15 billion instrument will mature on July 10, when investors will receive interest at a rate of 5.75% per annum, subject to the government's 25% withholding tax. The move follows the central bank's absorption of $53 billion on Monday and a further $27 billion last week. The central bank says it continues efforts to contain inflationary pressures by offering investment options. For the trading period of June 10, 2026, the most actively traded securities were Productive Business Solutions Limited US dollar ordinary shares with 74,785,654 units, representing 64.27% of market sales activities. Dollar Financial Services Limited with 8,809,722 units, representing 7.57% of market sales activities. Trans Jamaica Highway Limited with 5,753,765 units, representing 4.94% of market sales activities. Investor activity remained concentrated in transportation, distribution, and finance plays, signaling continued interest in dividend-producing and strategic assets. Turning to the foreign exchange market based on Bank of Jamaica data for June 10, 2026, Forex traders recorded significant activity with strong demand across major currencies. The US dollar trading margins reflected steady liquidity, with the US selling at $157.58 and buying at $159.13. For the Canadian dollar, moderate gains supported by $6.16 transaction spreads. The Canadian dollar sold for $115.59 and was bought for $109.43. For the British pound, continued volatility offered short-term trading opportunities of $1.24 in profits for the banks. The British pound sold for $214.03 and was bought for $212.79. These movements underscore the importance of cash flow timing and currency awareness for businesses managing import costs, debt servicing, or overseas exposure. For our credit report tip of the day, many people spend thousands of dollars each year on necessities such as fuel, groceries, utilities, subscription, and even business expenses. And travel reward cards allow you to earn points or miles from those purchases. The objective is not to spend more. The objective is to earn rewards from spending what was already planned. Over time, these rewards can be redeemed for flights, hotel stays, rental cars, vacation packages, and other travel-related expenses. So you want to create a travel reward strategy. A successful travel rewards plan is built around 3 principles. Maintain a healthy credit profile, choose a rewards card that align with your travel goals, and pay balances in full whenever possible to avoid interest charges. When these elements work together, everyday purchases can contribute to future travel experiences. For our funding and focus features, funding challenges don't have to hold your business back. Many small business owners believe that access to capital is their biggest obstacle. In many cases, however, the challenge is not funding itself, it's funding readiness. So to improve your ability to attract financing, maintain strong financial records so lenders and investors can clearly understand your business. Build and protect your credit profile by meeting financial obligations consistently. Develop a clear growth strategy that demonstrates how funding will be used to create value. Cultivate relationships with financial institutions before you need access to capital. Operate as a formal business with the proper registrations, compliance, and business systems in place. Funding decisions are built on confidence. The more prepared, organized, and strategic your business is, the more opportunities become available. Preparation today creates access tomorrow. And that's today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing clarity to capital, markets, and strategy. Until next time, stay informed, stay intentional, and keep building forward. See you soon.